Imagine a world where cloud migrations are no longer plagued by errors, delays, or downtime. A global leader in transportation technology, specializing in logistics and fleet management solutions. Their operations depend on highly available, mission-critical applications, necessitating a resilient cloud infrastructure for long-term scalability and operational efficiency. They were looking for a scalable, reliable solution for seamless operations. With 150 unique server configurations and critical applications at stake, Innominds offered to develop a tailored migration strategy for a seamless transition. Leveraging our deep cloud expertise, we implemented a fully automated framework. The goal was to handle discovery, assessments, customized VM migrations, post-migration configurations. Real-time defect monitoring ensured every step was flawless. Our approach included setting up Azure virtual networks for application routing and accessibility while automating quality control to eliminate any post-migration issues. The result: a fully automated migration led to streamlined operations, reduced costs, and set a benchmark for future cloud migrations. Partner with us for effective cloud migrations and accelerated transformation. Visit innominds.com to learn more.